The weight W of a rod varies jointly as its length L and the square root of its density D. If W is equals to 12, when L is equals to 5 and D is equals to 9, find L in terms of W and D. And then we have other B and C questions. Let's start with A. W varies jointly as L. So W, this is the proportionality sign now for varies. So W varies jointly as L and the square root of D. So we substitute, we change this proportionality sign to equality sign and then introduce a K, a constant. And that is what we have here. Now, using the first set of values obtained, we are going to get the value of K. So W given to us in the question is 12. K is equal to K that we are looking for multiplied by L, which is 5, and then multiplied by the square root of D, which is the square root of 9. So the square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by 5. That will give us 15. So we divide both sides by 15. So when you divide both sides by 15, 15 cancel 15 here, and then here will be 12 over 15. So K is equal to 12 over 15. In its lowest term, it is 4 over 5. So from there, we can go back to this place and obtain the formula connecting them. But in this case, we will write the letter W, L, and D as it is written here, but we only introduce the value of K. So that is what we have here. W is equals to K, which is already 4 over 5, and then L there, and then root D. Those will be left like that. It's only K, the value of K, that will be written in this formula connecting them. Now, from this formula connecting them, don't forget that the question says we should find L in terms of W and D. So we're going to make L the subject of the formula from here that we just obtained now. From there, we're going to make L the subject of the formula. So when we cross multiply, this 5 will multiply W, it will give us 5W is equals to 4L root D. Then we're making L the subject of the formula. So we divide both sides by 4 root D. So when we divide both sides by 4 root D, 4 will cancel 4 here, root D will cancel root D, and then here will be 5 over 4 root D. That is why how we got L is equals to 5W over the 4 root D that we use to divide both sides. So that is L.